250 million views, 144 million views, and almost every other video sitting comfortably at millions of views. This channel, called Rico Animations, has built an audience of 13 million subscribers purely by posting this one style of stickman content. And it does not stop there. Countless other creators on YouTube are earning thousands of dollars every single month just by replicating this exact style. So without wasting a single second, let me show you exactly how you can create these videos for completely free. But before we jump into the tutorial, there is something important I genuinely want to share with you. If you are creating animated content or AI-powered videos, you already know the real grind is not the creativity. It is grinding through those first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Instead of fighting through that alone, Sahi Option can handle the heavy lifting for you. They offer professional channel audits, fixing your SEO, your tags, and your thumbnails. And they use a completely manual, organic growth network to get your channel monetized the right way. No bots, no shortcuts, just real results. Reach out to them on WhatsApp, send them a DM on Instagram, or check out their website. Everything is linked in the description below, and make sure to use the promo code for an exclusive 20% discount. Alright, now let's get straight into the tutorial. The very first step is to head over to Google or Pinterest and search for Stickman animation figure. Download whichever Stickman character design appeals to you the most. Once you have your character ready, open ChatGPT and type in this prompt. Feel free to throw in some funny or quirky elements of your own as well. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will instantly hand you 20 engaging topic ideas to choose from. Pick the one that excites you the most. Now open the second prompt from the description below. Copy it in full and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Enter your preferred video duration, then paste your selected idea inside the prompt and hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete video script matched to your timing, including full narration along with image prompts and video prompts for every single scene. Copy the image prompt for scene 1 and head over to Google Flow. First, upload the character image you downloaded earlier, then click on your character image. Click on 3 dots and choose Add to Prompt, and make sure to turn your desired image settings. Paste the prompt in and hit Generate. Your first scene image will be ready within seconds. Click on your character image again, and select Add to Prompt to keep your character consistent across every scene. Copy image prompt 2, paste it in, and repeat this exact process until all your scene images are generated. I have created 4 scenes here to show you the full process. Now let's bring these images to life. Click on your very first image and select Animate. Choose OmniFlash as your video model and set the duration to roughly 8 to 10 seconds. Copy the video prompt for scene 1, paste it in, and hit Generate. Your first video scene will be completely finished within seconds. Repeat this exact same process to convert every remaining image into a fully animated video clip. Once all your video clips are ready, download them and head back to ChatGPT. Type in this prompt and hit enter, and it will provide your complete script written out in clean paragraph form. Copy the full script and open your preferred text-to-speech tool. I am using Google AI Studio for this. Select a voice that matches your character's personality. Paste in your script and hit generate. Your full voiceover will be ready in just a few seconds. Now import all your video clips into your favorite video editor, along with the voiceover. Start by arranging your clips in the correct sequence from beginning to end. Then add the voiceover and carefully sync it with each corresponding scene. Once everything lines up smoothly, hit export, and your viral Stickman animation video is completely finished and ready to post. Now let's watch the full result together.
Most people spend years trying to impress others. They buy things they don't need and chase approval that never lasts. Then one day, they realize something important. Nobody is thinking about them as much as they imagined. Everyone is busy living their own lives. Another lesson comes too late. Time is more valuable than money. You can always earn more money, but you can never get your time back. Many people wait for the perfect moment to start their dreams. But the truth is, the perfect moment never arrives.
So that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches the moment they drop.